because I have not seen you guys in a couple of days, and I am I'm off work, and I didn't jump on here when I first got off work because it takes me almost an hour to get home, and the GPS would have been interrupting in between until I got to where I know where I'm at, and so now I know where I'm at. So I was just stopping by to see how you guys were doing. We had some crazy bad weather it was yesterday, starting yesterday and into today. It's just sprinkling out. And I hate riding on the roads, especially the interstates here in Georgia, because these people will run you slap over. Y'all know these people will run you slap over. So it's crazy. Look, I have to take my contacts out at night because of the, especially when it's raining, the glare off the windshield. I don't know if my car just dirty or what, but the glare off the windshield, it makes me look like I have astigmatism. So I have to take my contacts out in order to see these people, because these people will run you over. I have to have my visor down so you guys can see me, because it's really dark. Watch my clothes, you guys will see that. So yeah, I have to open this up so you guys can be able to see me. So anyway, so the bad weather, right? They ended up having what was it? It was a tornado warning today. My daughter, she ended up texting me at school, and she was like, "Are you okay?" I'm looking like, "Are you okay?" Because when she texted me, my man was asleep. So I was I knew it was a warning, and then they shut down the schools and stuff and everything, but it was nothing that she could do for me and nothing I could do for her if it was a tornado that dropped down. But it was so bad. It was so bad. And so I ended up having to get up and go into work today in the middle of it. It wasn't as bad. It was bad, but it wasn't as bad as it was when she had texted me and they had the warnings and stuff. So yeah, these people be surrounding me. They will pass you and bring you slap there over, and they will just have to go around me because, yeah, you're not gonna put me on the road and make me go faster than what I'm supposed to go just because you're in a hurry. No, I'm not doing that. You go around. Y'all, we have 4 lanes. You guys can take up one of these 4 lanes and go around. It is what it is. So yeah, but today and yesterday we were at work, and it was we learned some new stuff and how to do some new stuff. It was real good. The people there are really cool. This guy, man, the guy who I was talking to about hooking my son up with I told y'all he did some he a producer for some big name people. How about I just found out this thing right here, he gonna go and quit. But he already mentioned that if his record with the guy was gonna go still be big, excuse me, he was gonna concentrate more on the music aspect of what he was doing. So I guess it was doing really well for him, because when I went back there, we had to send an email, and you know how you send a group email, and they took him out of the email, and I was like, where's, such and such, and they was like, oh, he quit. Oh, he did what? I'm looking like, dang, man, I wanted to talk to him and rub some elbows with him to try to see about what what any ideas he can give my son, because my son talking about he want to be a rapper, but it's a whole lot that my son does not know, and I really don't know about the music business, because commission people and sign them, and the TLC people and sign these messed up behind contracts and stuff, and then be locked in a contract for years, signing like 19 album deals, and you don't own your masters. Oh hell no! I'm not with all of that. I'm trying to see if I could close this without having it open, since I'm in the city part with the lights and stuff now. You guys, I hope you guys will be okay with the not seeing me and seeing me, and you can kind of see me. You can see me. You can see me out. But yeah, that was so disappointing that he had quit. And there was another girl that works there. She's gonna leave us. But you know, if you know people, if you find something way better than what you're doing, that's gonna pay you more or whatever. Right? Damn, they got a dog in the car. Ain't no hatred here. None whatsoever. So yeah, I don't know, you guys. Nothing really spectacular happened. You know what I do hate though? Like by the time I get off, I'll be a little hungry, right? I do be a little hungry, and it be about 11 o'clock almost. And all of these good places that you want to eat at, or you want to grab something quick. I ain't talking about Taco Bell. I'm talking about the decent places that you be wanting to grab something to eat here. They be, some of them be closed, because I don't know why I wanted some Popeyes yesterday. Just some chicken, just some regular 2-piece chicken. I ain't half down, no size, nothing, just 2 pieces of chicken. And I pulled up to the Popeyes, and they said they closed at 11. But you know how black folks are. They had the lights off. They was like, you ain't finna get no part of this chicken today. So I ended up getting Arby's, and I ate about 3 or 4 of the curly fries and half of the turkey bacon sandwich or whatever. And I don't even eat sandwiches, so that blow the hell out of me. And I gave the rest of it to my daughter, because I wasn't here for it. I didn't even want it. So excuse me. So yeah, that's what happened now. But I'm happy. I'm off tomorrow. Look, they got in there to be open today though. But what I was gonna say, I'm off tomorrow, so I got a few errands to run, a few places to drop off, a couple of people to see. Yeah, and I have to work the weekend, which ain't too bad, because I don't really have nothing planned for the weekend. But I like being off the weekend because my kids be off, but I'm off next weekend. So yeah, well, I'm off next weekend. So hey, that works out perfect. As long as I have some weekends off, it's fine with me. They gotta be every weekend, because I don't do that every weekend. But yeah, what else? I don't know. But yeah, I really just stopped on here, you guys, to just drop by and say hi, and let you guys know how the job was going. And I'm still saving some money up and stuff, because I have some plans that I'm trying to make. You know, I'm not trying to have a job forever. I'm not trying to be working for somebody forever. So I'm trying to make little moves and stuff that I need to do. I hope to make those changes coming up soon, probably around the springtime. I'm hoping to do that. But it's advancement at this place, but at the same time, like I said, I'm trying to make money and for myself. I'm not trying to make money for nobody else. That's really what the goal is, not to do. Y'all saw that they didn't vote to impeach him, which I told y'all. Which I told y'all. He need to oh no sir, he needs to go somewhere. But yeah, I'm sorry, y'all. This man with this long tractor trailer, he looked like he was trying to come over here. But I'm sorry, what I was gonna say. Yeah, I told y'all that we're gonna impeach him. They not gonna impeach him. It's just what it is. Get over it. Don't talk no more about it. Don't give it no more energy. It's just what it is at this point, y'all. Okay? It's okay. It's all right. It's okay, and it's all okay. It's your shit, truck. I hate riding by these trucks. So they'll sit up there and spray the hell out your car and have you looking blindsided and everything, and they don't even care. This is crazy. Yeah. So what was I saying? Y'all know I be all over the place when I be talking because I have to pay attention. I have to pay attention to these people on the road because they can't drive and everything. But yeah, I don't have too much of an update to even tell y'all about until I broke my damn nail. And I don't know how I did that, but that's it. The people at work is cool. Everything went smoothly. The guys, you know, they're okay. The guys that I'm getting to know, they're okay. You know, I don't think nobody is I'm not, no, hell no, I'm not I ain't trying to put no negative energies in there, but I don't know, I'm just glad nobody's from my hometown, or they were born and raised here. Yeah, that's another. Because me and my friend today at work was, well, I call people my friends, but you know how it is. My work friend, my work buddy, and we was talking. Man, it was so funny. We was talking about how she was dating this guy from here, and she just felt like he had like these DL tendencies, and I'm like, baby, look, if your soul tells you something about a person, trust your intuition. Just trust your intuition, because especially with these guys from here, you gotta trust your intuition, baby. And I can't do it, because if they, oh no, baby, I can't do it. And we was just talking about that, and I was like, baby, I dated somebody before, and I had the intuition, and I'm sorry, I just know that it was true. I just know it ain't nothing wrong with whoever want to be that way, but don't pretend like you're something that you're not. If you like men, then you just like men. Just like if I was a woman and I like the women, I'm gonna say I like women, like I prefer women, but I don't. But you know, I would say that. But ain't nothing wrong with that. But don't be trying to pull the wool over my eyes, because shit, I'm finna tell you. Too much going around. It's the Corona, the Budweiser, the Bud Light, whatever the hell going on around, and don't nobody got time for that. Don't nobody got time for that, because you know they even got medicine now, so where if you're taking this medicine, you got HIV, you can go and get tested, and it'll show that it's so low that it can't even be detected. That don't mean your ass ain't got it. I mean, that still don't mean you don't have it. That still mean you have it. It's just too low to be detected on a test. And these, I know, I'm talking about, I know people. I personally know people that I know ain't even thought about picking up no damn condom. Ain't even thought about picking up. And people be confusing using protection with not getting pregnant. We're not getting pregnant. Shit, I put that with I incorporate that with passing diseases, because hell, I done got pregnant using 3 different birth controls. So we can't sit up there and say that you know, you just using protection just to prevent pregnancy. What kind of dumpster? Nah, we preventing dying over here. We preventing, you know, passing on stuff that you can't get rid of. And people is just so careless with that. And that's one thing look, I will sit up there and leave somebody completely alone. If you being careless, now you just being like, you out here don't even know people. And people, like guys and girls, is so quick to do oral sex with people that they don't even freaking know. They so quick to do oral on people, damn, that they don't even freaking know. I'm talking about don't know them from a can of paint, and will sit up there and do oral on people. And then get up and go back to their wife or their husband. I'm talking about kissing them in the mouth and everything. And I'm not, look, you can lose your life. Now, you can lose your life because you ain't, you can, like, I understand people gonna do what they want to do. They're gonna have sex with who they want to have sex with. But to the point to where you are putting your tongue and mouth on people, and you don't even know these people, and you could just wake up one day and your whole lip or your whole vagina or your whole penis just fall off in the toilet because you want 3 to 5 minutes of satisfaction that you likely could have got yourself on your own with no risk. I don't understand the concept behind that. I will, look, I'm older. I'm an older person. And I sit up there and not have sex for months, even years, before I just randomly have sex with somebody. I don't care if it's been a minute since I had some sex. And it's been a minute. Oh shit. I'm sorry, wrong thing. But anyway, so anyway, I was trying to let them people go because they was all up on the bed. But what was I saying? Okay, yeah, it's been a minute since I had sex or whatever. I know that ain't nobody's business, but it's been a minute, damn, since I had sex. And I'll sit up there, I will sit up there and not have sex for months or years before I sit up there and just do it with some random person just because I want to just have some sex. That's stupid. That's stupid. I don't understand. I know people are different, and people like sex drive seem like it's on 1,000 nowadays. But man, you know, it's people that go and have. I had sex the second time in my life, and I had got pregnant, and we used protection. So I'm just saying, it ain't 100%, you know, safe or whatever, but it's better than going in somebody blindsided. It's better than just trusting that somebody is clean and you putting your mouth and your broadness on somebody else and just hoping that this person is clean. You see what I'm saying? Like, this is you only get one life, and I'd be willing to not have sex for the rest of my life before I just randomly have sex with somebody just to have an orgasm. I don't know. Maybe I'm different. Maybe I'm just, I don't know if I'm too old and y'all might call me a prude or whatever. I don't know. But all I know is that I can't do it. I did now to 2020. Hell, I couldn't even do it in 2019. 2020, I sat up there. I was dating this guy off and on for years, and I knew this dude. I don't know. I just felt in my soul that this person was like not being faithful, because it's just being realistic. And all I could think about, only thing, you know what, and in my mind, I was, you know, we kicked it like maybe twice a year, maybe 3 times in 1 year last year, maybe 3 times last year, maybe. And I'm knowing that this person, like in my soul, I'm knowing that this person is not being faithful. And at a certain point, I was like, girl, it ain't no safer than you just having sex with him 3 times in a year, because you don't know who he fooling with. You know what I'm saying? And so I thought about that, and I was like, you right here, you might as well be having sex with that person he having sex with, because if you having sex with him without protection and you don't know who he fooling with, you see what I'm saying? It's like you could be you taking a risk just off of not knowing who he being with. So I had to just wake up and just be like, I ain't finna do it. It ain't even that serious for me to block out, you know what I'm saying? Just because I don't know don't mean it's not true. Just like when people go to the doctor, they don't go to the doctor to check themselves out, because they in their minds, they thinking, if I don't know, then that means I don't have it. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not that type of person. I want to damn know, so I can do what I need to do to fix it, and learn from this, and be more careful in the I wonder if they open. Like, they probably is. I don't know. We finna see though. But yeah, I'm just, ooh, I don't know. These are Caucasian people. I don't know, y'all. I don't think this is gonna be a good idea. But anywho, but yeah, so I'm sorry, y'all can't see me. But yeah, so me touching on that is like, I can't do it. I'd rather not even get none, or make a dude go get tested before I sit up there and just be like, I'ma just I can't assume no more. It's just too much going on in the world, and I care too much about my health. I care too much about my well-being to sit up there and just take somebody's lie, or take somebody's word, or go by how they looking. Or you can look at me and be like, oh, I don't think she got nothing. I ain't got nothing. But you can't just go by looks nowadays. You know what I'm saying? And I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But I'm just, I don't know. It's like 10:50, 10:45, something like that. I don't know. It's like, well, 10:50, because I got here. Yep, like 10:50. And this is a white Caucasian bar, but they have live music and wings and stuff. And I'm just trying to see if I could just order some and do like a pickup or something. I don't know, because I ain't even dressed. I got on my uniform. I'm not even dressed to go in the open bar. But they look like they still open. They serve drinks. I don't know. I stopped drinking though, so we know, and I'm not going in there for that. But I'm gonna go in here right quick and see what's up. I don't know. But I just stopped by to say hey, you guys, and you know, hope you guys had a great first week of February. And hope you guys have a great weekend. I don't know if I'm gonna stop in the weekend because I got to work. It depends on how I feel. But I love you guys, and you guys stay blessed and prayed up, and don't forget to meditate, and have a great weekend. Bye.